On Venus, the ground is hot enough to melt lead, and yet its tallest mountains are capped in what looks exactly like snow. In the early 1990s, NASA's Magellan spacecraft mapped Venus with radar because clouds of sulfuric acid block any camera. When Magellan scanned Maxwell Montes, the tallest peak on Venus at nearly 7 miles high, the summit lit up unnaturally bright, like it was wrapped in metal foil. Scientists spent over a decade figuring out why. The surface of Venus sits at 870 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to liquefy lead, and under that heat, trace metals baked into the rock start to boil. Lead and bismuth compounds vaporize right out of the stone and rise into the thick atmosphere as gas. If you're new here, we post a fresh one of these every single day, so subscribe and you'll never miss the next one. As that metal vapor drifts upward, it hits the cooler air around the highland peaks, air that's still scorching by Earth standards but cold enough by Venus standards to matter. The metal gas condenses there, crystallizing directly onto the rock, the same way water vapor turns to frost on a cold window. The result is heavy metal snow, made of galena and bismuthite, dusting the mountaintops of a planet where the lowlands can melt lead. Researchers at Washington University confirmed the exact minerals in 2004, ending a debate that started the moment Magellan's images came back. Drop a comment if you'd have guessed metal before ice. So the tallest place on Venus, the spot closest to space, is coated in frozen metal instead of frozen water. It's snow that could only exist on a world hot enough to make it. Hit subscribe and the bell so tomorrow's one lands in your feed.